Rachel.
We are from the Legend of New Village. Today we excited to present our innovative creation, Zymagic Blocks, a natural solution designed to eliminate bad odors from armpits, the human body, toilets, dump sites, and even animal waste. Zymagic blocks are made from organic enzymes and are environmentally friendly. Our journey begins with collecting fruit peels, such as orange and pineapples, leftovers from the school canteen or our home.
To begin, we collect fruit peels like leftover orange or pineapple skin from the school canteen or from home.
We warm up plain water and mix in palm sugar and a pinch of salt. This helps speed up the fermentation process.
Then we add the fruit peels into the container containing the palm sugar solution.
The mixture is left for 2 to 3 weeks to allow natural fermentation. During this time, a chemical reaction takes place, producing a power enzyme solution.
After 2 weeks, we filter the mixture to extract the clean enzyme liquid, which we call Zymagic liquid.
To create Zymagic in solid form, we mix the enzyme liquid with glycerin soap base.
We heat 25 milliliters of water and melt the glycerin base at around 80 degrees Celsius.
Then we pour in the Zymagic liquid and mix thoroughly. A small amount of coloring is added for display purposes.
After the mixture cools slightly, we pour it into molding trays and let it set for 3 days.
And finally, our very own Zymagic blocks are ready.
Zymagic blocks are highly versatile. Here's how they can be used: as a daily cleaning agent, for bathing or washing clothes,
as a deodorant spray, just add a few drops to water and spray to remove body odor.
To clean toilets and sink, helps remove dirt and odors effectively.
To deodorize dump sites, also help keep flies away.
As an organic fertilizer, the friendly microorganism
to eliminate bad smells from animal waste.
Together, let's make the world smell better. The eco-friendly way with Zymagic.